Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Let us learn a new chapter in EVS 1, and the name of the chapter is Lesson number 12, Home Remedies for Simple Illness. Now, children, the meaning of this heading is home remedies means there are some medicines actually which are available at home when you fall, minor things which happen with us, like when we fall down and when it is bleeding, immediately your mother must be applying turmeric on that wound, because turmeric stops the flow of blood immediately. The blood stops. Okay, so that is why there are some medicines in the house readily available which you can use when you fall, when it is a minor sickness, then you can treat it at home only. The meaning of this lesson is that. But if it is a major sickness, then you have to visit the doctor, and the doctor will prescribe you the correct medicines. But minor sickness can be treated at home only. Okay, so this is what we are going to learn in today's video. So let us start by learning the new words. The first word is refreshed. Refreshed. Now what do you mean by refreshed? Now when you get up in the morning and till you have bath, you do not feel fresh. Yes or no? When you have bath, immediately you feel refreshed. You start your day, you become energetic, you become active. The sleepiness goes, means the sleep which is there and which you feel lazy, and all the laziness goes completely. So you feel refreshed when you have bath in the morning. So that is meaning refresh. And if you are hungry and after a long time if you eat something, then immediately you feel fresh, you feel energetic again. So that is the meaning of refresh. Second one is gargle, gargle. This is what you do when you brush your teeth in the morning. Okay, and some of you must be brushing at night also, so you should brush 2 times a day, at morning, in the morning, and at night. Okay, so gargle means when you put water in your mouth and then when you spit it out, that is known as gargle. Okay, third one is temperature. Temperature. Now this we are talking about body temperature. Now when you have fever, the body temperature rises. Okay, so that is known as temperature. When your body is hot, when your body is warm, that means your temperature has gone up, and that means you are having a fever. Okay, fourth one is jaundice. Jaundice. Jaundice again is the name of a disease. Okay, and fifth one is swallow. Swallow means when you eat your food, you chew your food and then you swallow it. So that is the meaning of swallow. When you chew your food and then you put it in the, means it goes down the throat and then it reaches the stomach. So that means you are swallowing the food from your mouth and passing it through the throat. Okay, now what is illness? Okay, when we say that we have fallen ill, so when is that? When we are well, we feel hungry at the right times, we sleep well at night. See, when you're not having any illness, you are very well, you are playing whole day, you're doing all your activities whole day, and then you also feel hungry at times when you want to eat, and at night you also sleep well. But when you are ill, you become irritated, you don't want to eat anything. Okay, you don't want to watch TV also, you just want to lie down and sleep, and want to take rest. You're feeling very very lazy, you're feeling very very drowsy. So this is when you fall ill. But when you're not ill, at times you play whole day, you do all your activities whole day without irritating. Okay, and then you eat also whenever you are hungry, and then at night you sleep well also. So this is what is. Okay, we have no complaints about digestion, and when we eat food, it gets digested also very easily. But when you're ill, sometimes you feel that your stomach has become very full, you can't do anything, and your stomach is paining. This is all when you are not got a proper digestion. And most importantly, we feel refreshed on getting up in the morning. Yes, and when you get up in the morning, you are on your toes. You get up, you have bath, you brush your teeth, you have your breakfast, you go to school, whatever it is, you feel fresh. So that is the most important thing. It is the sign that okay, you are all right. But when you are not well, even if you get up in the morning, you feel the same way. You feel drowsy, you want to feel again, you don't want to have bath, you don't want to eat anything. So that is when you fall ill. We do not feel tired even we have been at work. So see, when school was there, you go to school, you go for your classes or your extra classes or whatever it is, but then do you feel fresh. Okay, but sometimes for some reason we fall ill. See, there is no one that who has not fallen ill. Everybody falls ill one or the other day. Okay, it is the same with everyone, but the time is different. Okay, Saku had, now here it is an example of a girl. Her name is Saku. Saku had a slightly sore throat. Sore throat means when you feel it is difficult to swallow, it is itching in your throat, irritation is there in your throat, that she had a slightly sore throat. Still, she had some ice cream. So children, here she made a mistake. Here she did something wrong, which she should not have done. Okay, she had, in spite of having a sore throat, what did she do? She ate an ice cream. So she is doing wrong. Okay, if you have sore throat, will you eat an ice cream or will you drink cold water? No, you will never do that. Okay, because that sore throat will increase, means it will hurt you more and more, it will give you pain more and more. But Saku did a mistake of eating an ice cream on sore throat. The next day, her throat hurt and she found it difficult to swallow. So now see, she already had a sore throat and on that she ate an ice cream, and the next day what happened? Her throat was paining and she found it very difficult to swallow food or even water. Okay, it was very irritating, it was paining for her a lot. Mother made her gargle with warm salt water before and after school for 2 days. So what did her mother advise? She told Saku, she gave her warm water, lukewarm water, in that she put little bit of salt, and then she told it to gargle it with that water. Gargling means what? You put that water in your mouth and then you spit it out. You don't have to drink that water, you have to spit it out. So that is known as gargling. So she told Saku to do it for 2 days. Okay, for 2 days and for 2 times before and after school, her mother advised her to do this thing. So here is a home remedy for some simple illness. See, sore throat, you need not immediately run to the doctor. It can be treated at home with some elders' advice. Elders means if your mother knows what has to be done with the sore throat, or if you have grandmother at home, grandmothers and grandfathers are very expert. They can give you as much as home remedies for simple illness because they know more than your mother and father. So if you have some elderly person in your house, like your grandfather or your great grandfather or grandmother, they will immediately tell you the remedies for simple illness. Okay, so her mother, she is using a home remedy for curing sore throat. And what is that home remedy? Warm water with salt, mixed with salt, and you have to gargle it for 2 days. Okay, she told it, Saku did it for 2 days before and after school, that is for 2 times, and then she felt all right. Okay, on the third day, now what happened on the third day? Saku's throat had stopped hurting. See, magic. So because she gargled with warm water, and not only gargling, you do not have to drink anything cold, anything oily. See, because you already, your throat is sore, it is paining, you can't drink cold water on that, or you can't have cold things on that. and then you have little of food because you can't swallow it also. So you have to be very very careful, okay? You have to take care. Along with gargling, these things also should be kept in mind. This was a simple illness, and she soon felt better again. Yes, see, this was a very simple illness which can be cured at home. But apart from this, okay, if on the third day, on the fourth day also, if the throat is paining, then you have to take the advice of the doctor. Then you can't treat it at home for a longer period of time. But if you get all right in 2-3 days, then don't need to go to the doctor for simple illness, okay? At fortnight later, means on that same day at night, what happened? Fortnight means 12 o'clock, okay? 12 o'clock at night is known as fortnight, okay? 12 and after 12, what happened is Sakhu's Tai fell ill. Sakhu's Tai means Sakhu's elder sister. In Marathi, Tai they call for elder sister. So Sakhu's elder sister, in Marathi it is known as Tai, she fell ill. Now what happened to her, we are going to see. She was running a temperature. Temperature means her body was warm, she was having fever. Her eyes had become yellow. Now this is not a simple illness, this is something, a major sickness, okay? Now Sakhu's Tai had fever, and her eyes had also become yellow. So this is not something which you can treat at home. For this you have to immediately rush to the doctor and show yourself, okay? She did not feel like eating anything. Yes, whenever we have fever or whenever we have even cold and cough, we don't like to eat much. We feel irritated by looking at food also when we are ill. Yes or no? Mother took her to the doctor. Now her mother immediately rushed her to the doctor, that is, she took her to the nearby clinic. The doctor said that Tai had jaundice. So what is the sickness she was having? She was having jaundice because she had fever, and her eyes had also become yellow. So jaundice is a sickness where your eyes and maybe your nails also, they turn yellow. Okay, for that you need to have proper treatment from the doctor itself. You cannot treat this sickness at home, and you cannot avoid it also. So you should be very very careful. The doctor advised her to take complete rest for 3 weeks. So this is a major sickness, and the doctor told Sakhu's Tai to take rest for how many weeks? For 3 weeks, that is nearly a month, okay? She also told her to eat as little as possible of things. Means during jaundice, first of all, you're having fever, you're not well, you become weak. But he told her, don't eat too much. Little you have to eat things so that you get energy in your body, but don't eat too much. And what the doctor advised? The doctor advised her not to eat things which contains oil, ghee or butter. So those things which are made from oil or which are made from ghee or which are made from butter, the doctor told her not to eat these things because it will increase the disease more and more. So avoid eating these things, and if you avoid eating these things, jaundice will completely go. So you have to take care and you have to follow what the doctor advises you to do during such time, okay? This was not an illness that could be cured easily. Yes, children. This was not a simple illness. See, Sakhu had a sore throat. It got cured within 3 days. But Sakhu's Tai had a major sickness known as jaundice, and it was not cured in days. It took 3 weeks for her to get recovered with the help of doctor's advice and doctor's medicines. Okay. So what did we study today, children? Some illness are cured quickly, like Sakhu's sore throat, or even if you have cold, you don't need to go immediately to the doctor. You should take hot steam, okay, and you should have warm water the whole day, okay. And as probably you should always take the advice of the elders in the house, and they know what is best for you, okay. The elders in your house always knows what is best for you. Okay, but there are some that do not get cured easily. Yes, but there are some sickness which takes longer time to heal, and you have to go to the doctor for becoming all right soon. Okay, and you cannot treat it at home. So this was the end of today's video. I hope you have understood what do you mean by simple illness and what do you mean by major illness. Simple illness can be cured at home with home remedies under the advice of elders at your house. You don't do anything on your own because you don't know, you are just a child. Elders will tell you what to do and how to do it, and you should always do it under elders supervision. When they are with you, you should try these things. And if it is not a simple illness, you should immediately go to the doctor and take his advice and take the medicines which he has prescribed for you. So have you understood what I have taught you in today's video? And this is not the end of the chapter. There are still more videos of this chapter to come. But thank you for listening to me carefully, children. Goodbye. Take care.